Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix CapCut not showing templates on PC. Alright, let's begin. If you can't see the Templates tab in CapCut, the first thing to check is how you installed it. If you installed CapCut from the Microsoft Store, this might be the reason templates are missing. To fix this, open a web browser and go to CapCut.com. Click Download for free, then open your Downloads folder and follow the steps to install the desktop version. After installation, open CapCut and check if the templates appear. If templates still don't show, go back to CapCut.com and select Try CapCut Online at the top right. Sign in with your CapCut account, then check the left-hand side to see the templates. The web version often has templates even if the desktop app doesn't. If the issue persists, it may be related to your country or region. In that case, try connecting to a VPN, reopen CapCut, and check again. So that's basically how you can fix CapCut not showing templates on PC. That's it for this video. Thanks!